Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with VED.io for auto subtitling and translations step by step clearly. Visit the VED.io website. Locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password by typing it in again. After completing the form, click on the Get Started button. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email for a confirmation message from VED.io. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the VED.io website. Log in with your newly created email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Subtitles section on the dashboard. Click on the Create Subtitles button. Upload the video for which you want to add subtitles. Select the option for auto subtitling. Choose your desired language for the subtitles. Click on the Generate Subtitles button. Wait for VED.io to process the video and create the captions. Once the auto subtitling process is finished, review the generated subtitles for accuracy. Edit any inaccuracies directly in the subtitles editor. After making corrections, save your changes. If you need translations, locate the Translations option. Select the subtitles you wish to translate. Choose the target language for the translation. Click on the Translate button. Review the translated subtitles for any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, save the translated subtitles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.